downtimes are inefficient and unproductive. Unexpected downtimes are therefore a real nightmare for companies. Yet, two of the main causes are generally still disregarded: poorly designed or incorrectly fitted bolted joints. Vibrations, overloading, or other external impacts can quickly cause a loss of function of the bolted joint. To counteract these problems, industry mainly relies on additional locking devices, such as adhesives or lock washers. However, the resulting increase in assembly time, available space, or weight is often underestimated and ultimately leads to additional costs. There are other ways to improve a bolted joint, but structural limits generally prevent a longer clamp length, and increasing the tension of the bolt is not possible without additional technical efforts. But what would happen if the thread geometry was modified? Spiralock has been working on this topic and developed a self-locking internal thread form. A 30-degree wedge ramp prevents micro-movements, triggered by vibrations and thermal interaction. Spiralock mates with standard bolts, is reusable, and distributes the load more evenly. Additional locking devices are redundant, and there are reductions in both assembly time and weight, which lead to lower overall costs. Spiralock offers smart solutions for passenger cars, heavy trucks, construction and farm, oil and gas, aviation, and space systems,